Hello, I'm glad you are here and welcome to the GT Auto channel. Please subscribe to get more. Thanks.
Honda Alabama Auto Plant begins production of the all-new 2023 Honda Pilot. Over 1,500 associates celebrate all-new Honda Pilot SUV and engine built in Lincoln, Alabama. Largest and most powerful SUV in Honda history required substantial production changes. Rugged Pilot TrailSport model has unique features that add to manufacturing complexity. 2023 Honda Pilot is built on a new platform, with an all-new engine and other new features. Associates at the Honda Alabama Auto Plant, AAP, today celebrated the start of mass production of the all-new 2023 Honda Pilot, which includes the Pilot TrailSport, the most off-road capable Honda SUV ever. To build the fourth-generation Pilot lineup, the largest and most powerful SUV in Honda history, AAP associates were challenged with the most changes of any Honda Pilot since the first model was introduced in 2003. The largest Honda SUV ever, the all-new Honda Pilot is longer and wider than its predecessor and available in 5 unique trim levels: Sport, XL, Touring, Elite and Trail Sport. The mid-sized, 3-row SUV is completely redesigned with a new stronger and more capable platform that also provides more passenger and cargo space. Pilot's new rugged exterior styling is tough and aspirational with a large upright grille and a powerful stance accentuated by flared fenders, wider tracks and larger tires. Available with a new opening panoramic sunroof, the new Pilot is also the only vehicle in its class to combine 8 passenger seating and this desirable feature. The 2023 Honda Pilot TrailSport represents an important direction in Honda's rugged light truck product lineup, resulting in a number of additional manufacturing challenges. Engineered to get weekend adventurers even further off the beaten path, the Pilot TrailSport's special off-road features include a raised off-road tuned suspension with an inch more ground clearance, all-terrain tires, thick steel skid plates protecting the engine and fuel tank and expanded all-wheel drive system capabilities. The most powerful Honda Pilot ever features an all-new 3.5-liter V6 engine made exclusively at AAP. The new dual overhead cam, DOHC, 3.5-liter V6 engine produces 285 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque, yet boasts more complete combustion efficiency to meet stringent emissions requirements. The new engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that is new to Pilot and built at the Honda Transmission Plant, TMPGA, in Tallapoosa, Georgia.